Welcome all to the new video of Coding Race. In this video, we will learn how to insert video in HTML. So you can see video, one text here top and one video here. So I'm going to play it. You can see the video and you can also hear the voice. So I'm going to play it again and I'm going to mute this. Now you can't hear the voice. You can also put it in full screen and you can play it in speed. Also, you can put it in picture mode. So, I am using Visual Studio Code to code for this website. I will give the link in description to download the Visual Studio Code. So, I open the Visual Studio Code and you can see here one open file. I am going to click on files and open folder. You want to open one folder. There we will add the HTML, CSS. Okay. So I am open my folder. Name is video HTML and you can see this type of interface. You can see this new file. Just click on it and just remove it and you can see this new file. Just click on it and just type index.html. Just enter. So here we will type the items which we want to add in our HTML. Okay, so I'm going to type has some problem. Use the capital letter when we write this and just type HTML. Okay, and just put it down. Then we want, so type here HTML and close it. Just enter. Then we will add title and just close it. Here we will type video. Sorry, I'm using caps lock. Next we want to add body. And just close it and just enter. Next we want center and cross it. Just enter. There we want H1 and close it. Here we will type video Next, we will add the video and width. And width will be 900, height will be 480. Next, we want controls option. Here you can see, just click on it and just close it. Then you can see one video slash came here. Just enter it down. And next we want source. Which video we want to play in the HTML. So type source and src will be my. You can type the file video file here, name your video file name. I'm going to type my video file name. The name is my video .mp4. This is my video file name. Then close it. Just enter and type if the video is not play, here the HTML will say can't load the video, and just next we will, these are the code for our items. We have already added our items in our HTML. Next we will add style. Okay, I will open the HTML, and so I have opened my HTML. You can see the video and the title. It is centered, and we want add background and color. And next I'm going to add my video to my folder. You must want to drag and drop the video to the folder, then only the video will be played. So I have added my video to my folder. I'm going to refresh the page. Yeah, you can see the video is playing. You can control the voice, and you can play it in speed, and you can change it to picture in picture mode, and you can open any other tab with this video playing right here, or you can drag and drop it to where you want. Next I'm going to add CSS. Go to our Visual Studio Code and just click on this new file, and I'm going to type 34.css. You can type any name. Here we are going to type the CSS. So first you want to add body and open it and just enter. Here we will type background image. Yeah, background image, and just enter. Here we will add URL. Yeah, and we want to type the background image file name here, so I will type it later. So next I am going to code for H1, just enter, and color will be slash 2f 533f. Just enter, and you can change any color. Okay, and I am going to save all, and I am going to my HTML and refresh. Yeah, and sorry, we have don't connected this CSS to the HTML. That's why it is not work. So I'm going to connect the HTML with style our 4.css. So after the title, I'm going to type link a style sheet, and here we want to type a type will be text / CSS, and here we want to type the CSS file name. So 34.css, just it. Yeah, and next go to CSS, and I'm going to add the background image. Okay, background image. So you can see the bracket here. My file name is house /65970.jpg. You want to type the format also, and save and file and save all. Go to our website and refresh it. Yeah, you can see the background, video, color, and title. So play it. Our HTML is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and like the video. If you want more app development videos and HTML videos, visit our YouTube channel. Bye. I will give the link in description to download this background.